Alright guys, we're just gonna do a quick firework video. Start now. Wow. Oh my god. That one just flew in the air. Does this go forever or what? Oh my god. There we go.
Alright, there you go. It's a spinner.
That was cool.
Trying to see it.
Hey, don't get too close. Might have one that didn't go. Back up.
Back up. You can't get. Don't put your face by things.
I don't want to see you get hurt. What if one of those goes off still? You don't have a hand.
I don't think anything's gonna happen. It's getting really dark out.
That was pretty good.
Wait, I hear fireworks that sound kind of close to us.
That was a quick video, guys.
I can't.
Oh.
We're not done yet,
What?
cause
Oh yeah, I need to do something.
what is it?
That's it.
What is it?
I need to do a Snapdragon.
Does it make a lot of noise? Does it make like popping noises or anything? Okay. Is it a launching firework? Okay, then I can.
Open it for me, 'cause they go.
Oh, it's just this thing.
It's like rainbow, guys.
Yeah. Whoa. It's like a tornado. Cause I can see all the smoke up there.
Wow, this is like a popper. Is there poppers inside of him?
No. Okay.
That's it. You can stop it now.
Okay, but
Woody.
what? Snapdragons?
Yeah, but no one touched. Whoa! Some are pink.
Wait, what? There's pink ones? Wait, I never knew that. I never seen pink ones. Guys, there's pink ones.
There are. I've never seen pink ones either. What
Yeah.
does that do?
Whoa, it's
they're
like rainbow
colorful.
ones. What the?
I've never seen anything like that before.
Yeah. It's crazy.
Let's see. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, dudsies. Well, don't throw them at people's faces, buddy. I don't think they're gonna work. Yep.
Aw, it would have been cool.
No, guys, thanks for watching and peace out. Blah, blah, blah.
Nope.
What?
We don't do that. We're not supposed to do that. That's only for another channel.
Okay.
Only one channel.
Subscribe,
Does it?
guys. Okay, guys? And don't end this video because I'm going to do something awesome. Bodie, move out the way for a second. That's the awesome thing.
We didn't really even see it. Oop. Let me see. My gosh, Shadow. Well, this is another quick 8th of July thing.
8th of July.
Yeah,
Yep,
because,
it's not the 4th anymore.
yeah, but it used to be.
Watch this, guys. But after this, we're gonna reach the channel.
Didn't even see it. Can't even see it. It's too
Okay.
dark out.
Yeah.
Something.
Look.
Okay, here, hold on. Subscribe. Comment down below what you liked.
Ooh. Woody, watch out.
Whoa.
Then fire. Fireball.
It's like fireballs. Whoa! Whoa, Caleb. That was crazy. Okay, it's over. Oh,
Don't step over me. Okay.
we gotta make fire. Okay. Okay, well, that's it, guys. Hope you liked this video. We might do some more. Oh, wait. We still have another firework left to do. One more.
One more. No, because that flew into the neighbor's yard tree. So we're not going to do them. We're done.
Yeah. Okay. Well, somehow this was a 6-minute video, even though it wasn't that long.
Jake.
Well, comment down below what was your favorite firework.
Yeah.
I love the one that like spun like a fidget spinner and then like made sparks come out.
Woody, let's show them all our fidgets. Like our glowing fidget.
Oh yeah. Well, never mind. We already did a lot. We can make another video
Yeah.
and do it.
Okay. Bye-bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe.
It's 9:56 p.m.
What? We should go to sleep an hour.
No. We had to set off fireworks.
We passed bedtime.
No, usually we go at like 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock?
Yeah.
That's like 5 minutes.
Alright, last one.
One more?
Yeah.
What is it?
Daddy, what is it? What is it called, Daddy?
Yeah, what is it called?
What? The launcher?
It's a launcher.
Launcher? Oh.
Well, that was pretty cool. Wait, can you shine your flashlight?
Daddy, can I have...
There's the parachute.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it.
So subscribe,
Put that down. Put that down.
comment down below what was your favorite firework, and say bye, Birdie. That was weird, but that was actually my own voice. I never made that voice in my whole life. Subscribe. And check out some of our 4th of July videos. We did a couple of them.
Yeah, because last time we missed the backyard one that was today, and then it was the
What
boat.
back one? No, we already did this. We already did the boat one.
Yeah, but
We did a boat video.
yeah, but,
Oh, but the firework was
yeah, I was just
a fail.
I was just
Yeah.
gonna tell them the fail. But the fail is not awesome. But thanks for watching. Subscribe to all of our channels.
We only have one channel, Caleb. What are you talking about?
No, all of our channels that
Our YouTube videos.
yeah, all of our YouTube
Videos.
videos.
We don't have any. We only have one channel. This is our only channel.
Yeah, and guys, thanks for